Programs containing parts and sheets are created from Sigmatek. Programs instantly appear in Load Manager, ready for assignment. Sort, group, or filter programs based on any field, including due date. Automatically assign a program to the next time slot for a machine. Drag and drop programs between compatible machines. Manually move assigned programs to a specific machine. Use go-to shortcuts to quickly jump to a point in time. Assign multiple programs at once with ease. Switch views to see all assigned programs. Different schedule views let you view different time periods. Auto-assign all programs with one click.